How to clean construction vehicle mud and dirt in 2 minutes using an automatic machine. At any construction site, large or small, there is the familiar sign: dump trucks, lorries, and concrete mixers constantly coming and going, carrying this layer of mud and dirt clinging to the wheel and undercarriages. Every time it's rained, the construction site entrance becomes muddy, with murky water overflowing onto the road, and within hours, the entire surrounding residential area is affected. Meanwhile, the construction crew had to take turns using hoods to wash the vehicles, but the cleaning never seemed to get rid of the dirt completely, resulting in daily fatigue, wasted water, electricity, and manpower. The problem here is not just environmental hygiene. This is also about operating cars and construction efficiency. When vehicle has stopped for 15 to 20 minutes just to be washed, it means the entire construction process is slowed down, vehicle turnaround time is reduced, and costs increase daily. For large construction projects, this weighs hundreds of dollars a month, a fast fee realized. But now, things have changed thanks to the Go&Go automatic construction vehicle wash machine, a solution that completely cleans your vehicle in 2 minutes without manpower, waiting, and especially answering the strictest environmental hygiene requirement. With the fully automatic system, as soon as the vehicle enters, the machine will automatically spray and wash the entire vehicle from wheel and the carriage sides. And after only 2 minutes, the vehicle is cleaned as new, ready to leave the construction site. The entire process is automated, requires no operators, no labor, and no worry about water splashing everywhere. And here's the biggest benefits that are making more and more construction site owners choose to invest. First, saving on labor costs. Previously, a construction site had to hire 3 to 5 people to wash vehicles continuously, costing several $100 a day, and still not achieving the roof cleaning. Now with just one supervisor, the system does anything. Automatically, you can save millions of dollars in labor costs annually. Secondly, it saves time and increases operational productivity. Trucks only take 2 to 3 minutes to wash, reduces waiting time by up to 80%, allowing for faster entries and exits, and more frequent turnaround times. Construction sites are not congested at the gate. Process is answered, and transportation efficiencies increases significantly. Thirdly, it ensures environmental hygiene and avoid vandalism. Environmental regulations are becoming increasingly strict. If vehicle can carry mud and dirt onto the road, business may be fined, warned, or even have their operations temporarily suspended. With Go&Go automatic truck wash machine, our dirty water is collected in the sludge separation system, keeping the construction site clean and meeting hygiene standards. Fourthly, a one-time investment, long-term benefits. The machine is designed with an industrial steel frame, ensuring stable operation and long lifespan, and the ability to operate continuously at high frequencies. This is an investment that yields sustainable benefits, not only in terms of cost, but also in terms of image and reputation. Fifth, enhances the image of the business and the construction site. A clean construction site, personal vehicle entries and exits, and a tidy gate. These are not just small details, but a hallmark of the organized and responsible work unit, especially when partner, investor, or management agencies come to inspect. They will immediately see the difference in how you operate. A professional image always creates trust and greater opportunities for cooperation. Therefore, it's not surprising that numerous concrete mission plans, waste treatment plants, industrial parks, and large infrastructure projects are switching to Go&Go automatic construction vehicle washing system. They not only save costs, but also work more efficiently, neatly, and professionally. The reality is many businesses, after replacing manual washes with automatic system, have seen cost reduction up to 60%. Vehicle turnaround time doubles and construction site consistently clean and orderly. This is the benefit of the smart automation solution, a worldwide investment that delivers financial returns, increases productivity, and enhances brand image. Go&Go, a pioneering brand in the field of automatic construction site washing in Vietnam, not only for fire machine, but also offers a comprehensive solution from surveying, designing, and installing to offsite technology transfer. If you are an investor, contractors, concrete plant management, or construction site operator, consider this is not expensive, but a strategic investment to elevate your business, save on operating costs, and stay ahead of the curve. Contact our hotline now to receive detailed advice from Go&Go technical team, on-site service, and assistance in choosing the most suitable solution for each type of the project, from concrete business plan, waste treatment plan, industrial park to large and small service construction project. We are not only supplying equipment, but also accompanying you throughout the installation, operation, and optimization process to achieve the highest efficiency, saving costs and time. With over 10 years of experience in automotive car wash industry, Go&Go is proud to be a pioneer in Vietnam, bringing automatic construction vehicle washing technology closer to investor and construction contractors. Each machine produced meets export standards, boasts high durability, stable operation, and suitability for various applications, climate condition, and construction site environment in Southeast Asia. Go&Go, Vietnam's leading automatic construction site vehicle washing solution. Thank you and see you in the next video.